Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have swatches of the new Sassy Polish nail polish releases for you. Carrie from Sassy Polish sent me her new releases that are coming this September. I will link for you all the details, of course, in the description box, so definitely check it out. And we have few changes that are happening with this new release. One, she had to change the brush on her polishes. So she is going from a relatively rounded brush to one of the wider petal brushes. I am so happy that she decided to do that, and I will of course show you some comparisons in my swatch portion to compare the brushes, how they used to look like and how they look today. You will be also seeing 4 new polishes releasing in the month of September. These are more or less Halloween related, and I am really excited to show you all of these because they're really beautiful. And another change is that she is bringing 3 new top coats. One of them is a glossy top coat, the other one is a super fast drying top coat. And those of you who are here with me for a while, you know that I have been using her regular older version top coat for years, and I just love it because it dries within seconds. And then she is also releasing a top coat for nail art, so it's kind of like a smudge free top coat, even though with her regular nail polish or regular top coat I hardly ever had any smudging. So I'm very excited to show you everything in today's video. If you do enjoy it, then please give me a thumbs up, and of course if you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos, then also please subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate that a lot. My favorite out of these must be Sassy Punkin, but all of these polishes are really good, as you will see in the live swatch portion of my video. I will link for you, as I mentioned, everything in the description box, but if you do have any questions, comments, please leave them for me in the comment section. Alright guys, I think that's it for this intro, so thank you so much for your support. Continue watching the swatch portion, and I will be back with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.